Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium database question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. And I thought it was very straightforward. So let me show you how I did it. This one's called Symmetric Coordinates number 2978. So basically you have these coordinates that you're given, these pairs x and y, and you just want to check these conditions and then get all the ones that are valid. So let's first go ahead and get each coordinate. So let's call this pairs for I, C in enumerate coordinates. Let's call this x, and then we can just append C coordinates y of I, and let's print pairs. Okay, cool. So now we have all the pairs, and now we have to make sure that they are symmetric. So if x1 is equal to y2 and x2 is equal to y1, so we're going to take whatever random two lists and compare them in that fashion. So let's say for I in range length pairs, for j in range length pairs, and we want to make sure if I is not equal to j, because we can't compare the same pair on the same index. If they're different, that's okay to compare, right? So if pairs of I of 0, so x1 is I0 is equal to pairs of j1, so that's going to be y2, and pairs of j of 1 is x2 is equal to pairs of I of 0, which is y1. And then we also have another condition, x1 less than or equal to y1. So if pairs I0 is less than or equal to pairs of j of 0, so 1 is 0, then we can print pairs of I. So, okay. For j. Okay, cool. So if you notice, we just don't want duplicates, and then we want to sort it so this is less than this if possible. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and gather the results. So if sorted pairs of I is not an answer, then we can just append sorted pairs of I. And then last but not least, we want to return the whole list in sorted by this coordinate, so we can just say answer.sort, and let's print answer without duplicates here. Okay, cool. So that lines up exactly as we see in the output, so we're good to go. So let's just gather the results. For a and answer, 1.append a0, 2.append a1, and then create an empty data frame. Set the x column to 1, set the y column to 2, and then just return that data frame. Okay, let's run this. Okay, that's not correct. Okay, so if this equals to y2 and x2, x2 is equal to y1. Okay, let's run this. I and j. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help and solve it on my own. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.